y'all, I'm Abby. Welcome to my channel, Abby's Retro Rescue. And I think it's time for a swatch video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than usual. Typically, I am rescuing vintage items from estate sales and things like that. This is not one of those videos. This is actually an unboxing video because my friend, viewer Charles, has sent me some swatches. Now, this is not the first time that Charles has sent me some swatches. I have a whole bin of lovely pop swatches that he sent me, and you can watch that haul video. It's an older video on my other channel, our Gen X Life, where we unboxed all of these beauties, and they are lovely. It's such a nice collection. So I got another box in the mail from Charles. I'm excited to open this, and I waited because I wanted to open it with you guys. I did pull the tape, but I have not opened the box to see what is inside. And I also want to share with you my swatch collection, my growing swatch collection, and how I plan to display them. All right, it's very well taped. All right, so opening the box, there is a card. So this was actually a Christmas present, but I waited until all the hustle and bustle of Christmas was over so that I could open this with you guys. And so it says, Merry Christmas. He calls me Tiny Abby because, in case y'all didn't know, I'm really short. And a little picture with a clue of what watch we're getting. Not an avalanche, but a couple of Swatch snowballs for you. Kindest regards and adoration from Charles. Thank you, Charles. What a cute picture. Look at that. Very clever. We have some tissue paper. And I think he said there were 2 watches in here. So we shall see. Okay, so first up, well wrapped. Whoa, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look how pretty it is. So I will look this up and tell you guys the name, but oh wow. This is the Swatch Gent Stormy Weather from 1989, featuring weather symbols in vibrant neon colors. It's so vintage and so cool, and it's running. He also replaced the batteries before he sent those other ones to me, which was so nice. There's a couple I've had to change out the batteries, but they last a good long time. One of our viewers reminded me, and I'll share with you guys, that if you live near a Swatch store, which I do not, unfortunately, but if you do, they will change the batteries out, and I think they do it for free. So I have an interstate battery store near me, and I really like the guys there. They do a good job, and they're very friendly, and they have like a frequent customer card thingy. So the price isn't bad. Okay, oh my goodness. Look how pretty that is. I love this. I love the size. It's very practical, and all the different colors will go with any outfit. And it's kind of clear with stripes on this side, and then the color changes. It's really stunning. Thank you so much, Charles. That is beautiful. I've actually never seen this one before. I don't know if it's rare. It's just new to me, probably. I cannot possibly keep track of all of the swatches because Swatch is just a prolific company. They're always coming out with new designs, special editions, and all this, and I cannot keep up with them. Oh, and before we go any further, I want you guys to see my earrings. Now, these are not Swatch earrings, but they kind of look like them. And these are my authentic earrings from the 80s when I was probably about, I don't know, maybe 10 or 12. And I was really into swatches. And I got these little earrings because I thought they looked like Swatch. But they're just swatches. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys a warm special for this. And I also got a new t-shirt. It's a Furby shirt. So this is absolutely stunning. Let's open the next one. Okay, oh, this one is a thick box and big. Oh, wow. Okay, it's just a big box. Okay, So this is actually one that they still, I believe, are still making. And I saw it on their website. He gave me a heads up that I might be getting this one. So this one was a surprise. This one I knew about. Look, he even put extra batteries in there. It's got an X on it. Let me open it. I'll show you. Oh, wow. You guys, this one's new. It still has the little peely thing on it, which is so satisfying. Look. Ah, very cool. And it has the big X. Now, I'm guessing the reason why Charles thought that I needed this watch is because our other channel is Gen X Life, right? Our Gen X Life. And because I'm super into Gen X, I am drawn to things with an X on them. So I believe that that is probably the reasoning. You can tell me, Charles, in the comments if I'm right about that. But this X one is perfect for someone who's representing Generation X, I think. So let me put this on. Now, this one comes, I believe it also comes in black. This is the XX rated purple. Oh, these look good together. They both have a lot of purple in them. And I actually really like the color purple. It's one of my favorite colors. It's also our alma mater, our school color from Stephen F. Austin University. We wore purple. So we have a lot of purple stuff at this house. Oh, and our daughter went to K-State, which is also purple. So we do like purple around here. Look at that. I probably won't normally stack them, but for today, to show you guys, I thought I'd put them on together. Oh my goodness, Charles, thank you so much. That is so generous. And you guys, y'all, I always say this, y'all don't have to send me stuff, but when you do, it's so kind. And I do truly appreciate those of you who have in the past sent me things. And of course, my friend Charles, who likes to send me swatches. All right, so now that I've shown you these new ones and revealed the new additions, let's go and see if we can put together a fun way to display these. I do have an idea, so I will show you, but we're gonna have to go in the other room. So we've gone down the hall. This is the 80s bar. I don't know if you remember seeing this before on our other channel. I don't show it that much. We should probably do some more videos about this, but this is our 80s Life bar. And around the corner here in our sort of like movie watching area, this is where the Swatch collection is going, because I got this cool table down here. You might recognize some of these games that have been featured in my thrift hauls, but the top is really cool. So inside this table is where we are going to display the Swatch watches. I purchased these items on Amazon. I'm not even sure what they're called, but I will link them below if you're interested in getting these for your own collection. They're basically just like these little soft pillow thingies that you can put your watches on them and strap them on for decor, like if you want to decorate with watches or just for storing them, I guess, if you have a bunch of watches or bracelets and you want a nice way to store them. And then I was thinking that these would fit right in here with the swatches on there. And some sections like up here, we can get multiple ones in there. So anyway, I will put a link to these. These are on Amazon. I got a whole bunch of them. There's like 2 packs of these, and it should be plenty to display most of the swatches in my collection. Okay, so here's what we're dealing with. We've got the pop swatches that I showed you earlier in this container. This container is a mix of vintage and newer swatches, mostly newer ones. A lot of these belong to my daughter, Zoe, because she's also a swatch lover, or she was. Not as much anymore, but she likes them. This one she got on our trip to Paris, and so it's really cool and special. And a lot of these she just wore. I remember she wore this one a lot back in the day, and this one as well. This is my first one that I got. I say first one. I had a swatch back in the 80s, but this was my first one I got as an adult. And you can see it's well loved, but it still works great. And I still sometimes wear it. I used to wear it every day for years. And then here was a fun special edition winter one that she got from her friend. Here's one of the ones that Charles gave me. Super cute. I love this one. Anyway, this is just kind of a random assortment. And then this bag here, this is my travel bag. These are the ones that are like my favorite most worn ones. And like this is a vintage one that we got from actually from Swatch. They had some new unopened ones that they were selling several years ago. We got that one. I love that one. And then a lot of these either came from my personal collection or Charles sent them to me. He gave me this one, which I totally love, this yellow one. It's so pretty. And also this. They're so cute. And I can't remember all the names of them, but anyway. Oh, and this one's really neat where it looks like the numbers are like melting. I wear that one a lot too. They're all so cute. Anyway, so these are just like the ones that I currently wear the most. But I love all of them, and I definitely look forward to having a better way to display them. So let's get started. This gold one is so cool. I wore it to prom last year on the 80s cruise. Our theme was Mardi Gras, and this one was perfect for my outfit. So it's gonna get a spot right there. We're filling in. Well, I am finished, and I can always move these around, but I love the way it looks for now, and we can open it up and see what is inside. Oh my goodness. I just love Swatch for the bright colors, the innovative designs. This is probably my favorite if I had to pick a favorite, so I put it right in the middle, prominently displayed, but honestly, it's like kids. You can't have a favorite, right? I love them all. I put all the pop swatches sort of together. This isn't all of them, but most of them. The ones that had the bright, pretty colors, I put them all together so that they would sort of be, I don't know, they just have a cohesive look. They look good together, I think. This one's so cool with the rose. I love that. A few of these are still ticking. I'm gonna need to I'm gonna need to pull them out, unless they're ones that I wear on the regular, and then I might just let them continue to run. I wear this one pretty often. This is my newer one that I got in a estate sale. Some of these colors are so vibrant, but certain ones will go with anything. So I tend to wear specific ones, but honestly, I love them all. They are so pretty, and what a fun way to display them. Thanks again to Charles for that one, and this one, the Stormy. They are all amazing, and the ones he sent me before as well. So cool. What a fun display for our 80s basement.